this is Joe Hill from Island Towers 1601. Gonna do a quick video walkthrough. A really swank little sweet spot here in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath vacation rental, sleep 6. Very conveniently located and very close to downtown Gulf Shores. Has 2 awesome decks. We'll step out there in a second. Make sure I don't forget to do that. But this is a beautiful location, wonderfully appointed, just cute, fun, well decorated. So those of you who love to vacation in Gulf Shores, if you've never been here, you definitely have to check this location out. It is one of those premier spots in the continental United States that has that sugar white, beautiful sand, bathtub warm water. Just a really cute location. The owners of this place did a fabulous job. That's right, you're here to relax, enjoy. Washer, dryer, beautiful, nice open floor plan. Well-appointed kitchen with everything that you need. And the beautiful aspect of this particular condominium complex, especially this particular side, which is the sunrise side, which is east facing, is that you have the floor to ceiling windows. So you have this beautiful unobstructed view along the shoreline as far as the eye can see. Master bedroom with a king-size bed. Nice sunk-in tub with jets. Very wonderful for a romantic time. So let's step outside. And feast your eyes on what we have out here. There are 2 pools. There's one outside, and there's one on, I think it's the 4th floor. There's exercise room, sauna. So if you're looking for a fantastic time, you can look up Island Towers 1601. You can Google that, or Bing it if you're a Binger, or a DuckDuckGo kind of person. But look up Island Towers 1601, Gulf Shores, Alabama. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us there. The object of the goal is to make sure that you guys have a fantastic, enjoyable, memorable experience and time while you're staying with us. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, or definitely do what most people do, and that's just book online. Cheers.